Good day, viewers. Today I'm going to talk to you about this 77 perfume that will make your name high, that will uplift you, that will give you protection, will increase your finances, and then give you breakthrough in your career. At the same time, protection. So, what are the formulas you are going to do with this one? You get it in the market, but if you don't know the things you add and use it, in fact, you become confused. That is not doing what you want. So you need to know the secret about it. My friends produce it. The manager of this company is my good friend. I get in it. We do it a lot of. It does it with different types. I get in it. Well, some are in Nigeria, some are in Cote d'Ivoire. So if you want the secret about this 77 powers, this original one perfume, it gives you protection, it gives you good luck, it gives you favor. That if you are in the midst of 100 million people, people will see you and they will admire you. That's one secret about this 77 powers. It gives you total victory over everything. Wherever you are, any purpose, any intention you use it, it will work. But you need to get some herbs and add to the 77 powers so that you can get success, prosperity, good luck, favor, breakthrough in your career, against spiritual marriages, against it removes curses, it breaks every yoke of bondage. But this one is actually made for breakthrough and for prosperity. It's very powerful and good. But if you don't know it, you will be confused. It says this wonderful fragrance has been formulated with you in mind to cater for your various needs in all what space of life. It's very powerful. But if you're applying this 77 powers, you have to be careful with your eyes. Because if it touches your eyes, it's very painful because of the alcohol in it. This one gives you breakthrough in your career. It makes your name to shine. It uplifts you. It gives you a breakthrough. It gives you love. And it gives you what? Mercy. This is the powers of 777. If you're a new person here, I want you to subscribe and share to Comb Herbal TV. I'm going to show you most of the perfumes and their uses, and you will know and you will thank God, and you will call me and be happy and saying that the formula that I showed is really working. So what will you do to what? For you to be using this perfume to get promotion, breakthrough, success, prosperity. This one, I have a formula that you can use it and you become rich within 3 months. Very rich. You buy cars. If you don't have a car, you buy a car. If you don't build a house, you build a house. I have a secret formula for that one. How to be rich within 3 months with this 77 powers. You use about 7 bottles. You buy 7 bottles of this one. I have certain things I'll add so that it was given to me by my Indian grandmaster. He has given me the book of secrets. The book of secrets. My Indian grandmaster has given me a book, the book of secrets. And this one is inside it. If you use it, it gives riches within 3 months. Even if your riches is tied by witches, it will come by force. And but before you do that, you need to get 7 of these ones. And there's some certain herbs he showed me. They are all in the market. They are just spices and some 1 tree. But that one is the only tree you go to forest and get it. And that tree is being worshipped in India. So I'll get that tree and add so that this one, when you use that formula, I'm telling you, that one gives riches. You become rich. If you don't have a car, you buy a car within 3 months. If you don't have a house, your own house, you build a house within 3 months. You getting it? If your bank account is not having big money, you start having big accounts within 3 months. I have that formula. I will show a piece of it. I'll not show all. So if you need it, you can call me. I will, or if you need it, I can do it for you. The 7 power bottles, and you'll be happy. It was shown to me given to me by my Indian grandmaster. But this one that he showed me is for general love, favor, protection, and what? Good luck. So this one, he said, I can show to my subscribers. And I said, let me show this one, this secret, so you'll be happy. So if you buy the 77 original perfume, I get in it. This one is for breakthrough, promotion, good luck, favor. If you are applying it, ladies who are not watching you, start watching you as a man. If you are a woman that men were not watching you, they start loving you and calling you for relationship, for happiness and for marriages and for breakthrough. It breaks spiritual marriages. It breaks spiritual marriages. This 7 powers perfume is very good. So if what will you do for you to work for you so that you'll be happy? You will first of all go to the market or go to the store and buy this 7 perfume. When you buy the 7 perfume, excuse me, you go and buy this one. Cloves. I hope you know cloves. You buy cloves. Then you get the sunflower. That's the bone leaven. I don't know. No, India too they use it. So in India too, no, they use it. So you get the sunflower. We have the bone leaven here. That's the original one here. I'll get the leaves. I have plenty. If you need, I'll send you some. And you pay for the postal services, the courier services. So you get the bone leaven, the sunflower. You get your cloves. I get in it. Then you get your what? 7 powers. If you get this one, you will applying it. I'm telling you, you will get favor wherever you go. You can never lack money again. Breakthrough in finances, career, business, marriages, love. Your husband will start loving you. Your wife will start loving you. Your girlfriends will love you. You start getting money, just like that. It's very good. So what will you do? You buy it. You what? Open the lid. When you open the lid, I get it. You open the lid of the 7 and get your cloves and your sunflower. When you do that, I get in it. You get your open it. When you open it, there's this cover on it. You remove this one. Original one has this cover. You remove the cover and put it down. Then you fetch your cloves. I get in it. Last time, my friend in Germany and those in the United Kingdom were asking of this. So you put it inside. You put your cloves inside the perfume, the 7 powers. This was given to me by my grandmaster. I told you he gave me the secret book of powers on perfumes, on riches. So you add you put the cloves inside the perfume. This one too can let you to get car. If you don't have a car, it can also let you get car. But the wealth and the power one is the one I showed you. You buy the 7 of them. That one there, it's doing 3 months. You have to be rich by force. If you're not having a house, you start building a house. So you put the clothes inside the what? The perfume. I get it. You put some clothes inside it. You put your clothes. This one will give you good luck, breakthrough in your career. Your husband will love you. Your wife will start loving you. Your girlfriends will love you. Your business, if they are not having sales, people start buying. When you are working, people will admire you. You put your clothes, then you add the what? The sunflower. So that any time and point in the day, any time in the point of any hour, the power will be working. That's why you add the direction of the sun plant. That's the bunlebine or the sunflower. India to the habit. No, India to they know it. So I was very surprised when my Indian master in the year 2018, he gave me these powers in the year 2018. Show me, he gave me the secret book. There are 15 books. The Indian master, grandmaster, gave me 16 books. He said you add me the remaining 2, if I become a full master. That one shows that I'm now also a grandmaster. So very soon I'll collect if he sees that what I'm doing, because I'm helping some Indians too, they're telling him. So when I become a full grandmaster, he will add me the 2 remaining books. That one shows that me and him are now in the same level. So I said if I get subscribers and likes and high likes, I'll start showing great secrets. And that's why I said I hope I start getting more subscribers and likes. I'm showing you more secrets. No one will suffer again. You won't go to anyone for a quanchire again. You will only be doing your direction by yourself and you prosper. You become your own spiritualist and everybody will be happy. Then after that, you are going to what? Cover it. You now cover it. After putting the cloves and the what? The sunflower leaves, you cover it. You cover it well. You cover it. Then you shake it. I'm going to shake it. You see that it's mixed? I mean, I guess it's mixed. Before it to work, you need to add the sunflower. If you add only the cloves, you will sit up. So you add the sunflower, and now you have your what? You put it down for 3 hours going. You see that it will ferment and mix with the perfume. And you start spraying with this perfume going out. Love, favor, promotion, good luck, wealth, breakthrough in your career, finances, success will start coming. There will be goodness and joy, and there will be favor. If you apply it, people start loving you. If you were hated, you begin to be loved by people. You can never be hated again. Anyone who has life must love you. If you see that someone don't love you, if you are using this, remember that person has no life, and very soon you hear about the person. Yes, our enemies will all perish, and we will live up to old age in prosperity and good health. This one doesn't fail. It's for good luck. I can prepare it and send it to you wherever you are. Yes, 777 powers. It's very good. I don't joke with it. It's for prosperity, it's for good luck, and it's for mercy. May longevity, favor, prosperity be upon us all. Don't joke with this. It's a powerful perfume.